Oh my god, dude. It, it's snowing so hard here. Like, I can't even say how much it's snowing. Like, it's a little, like, storm here. Like, it's insane. I'm like walking home from school, and I thought that I could make it in half an hour, but it's like snowing so much that it took me 45 minutes. No joke. The snow actually slowed me down by 5 minutes. I've seen a lot more snow that like once there was like snow covered like all the way here, but like still, it's never snowed this much. Like, yeah, I just want to say it's snowing a lot. Please subscribe.